guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a video that I'm so excited about. I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite beauty / hygiene products from the Dollar Tree. And I really like these type of videos because I believe that every girly, no matter what her budget is, she should be able to have access to all of the beauty essentials, everything that makes her feel pretty, and as much of it as she wants to. And so videos like this really help you to see that you don't have to spend so much to get the things that are in style, or the things that make you feel pretty, or the things that are essential to everyday grooming. So if you want to see some of that, keep watching. The first thing that I want to talk about is something that I talked about in my previous Dollar Tree haul video, and it is this exfoliating bath sponge. Now I know you guys are thinking, Christian, a bath sponge is not exactly groundbreaking, so why don't you do some explaining? But I've seen these sponges around $2, around $3 at just regular Target and Walmart and other stores, and at $1.25. I think that that is the perfect price point to where you can get them, use them, and throw them away. I like to use them maybe once or twice. 3 times is pushing it, and then I like to throw them away. And then I don't feel so bad about throwing them away because it didn't cost me that much. I really like these. You can stock up on them. You can use them for decoration. You can use them to put in a gift basket. It's awesome. So these are my favorite. And in that same theme, I want to mention these exfoliation gloves. Now, exfoliating is something that you should do a few times a week, if not every day. I do know people that exfoliate every day. For me, that's a bit much, especially since I'm on Accutane, but exfoliating is essential. And these gloves just help to make your skin feel so buttery smooth and soft. You can get these at pretty much any retailer. You can order them off of Amazon, but I think $1.25 a piece is a really good deal. Usually when I'm using the exfoliation gloves, I only use one at a time. That's all I really need to go ahead and scrub down. And again, I like to get rid of these type of products pretty frequently. I don't like to leave them in there for months or even a month. And so this just helps me to be able to do that easier without spending so much money. The next item that I want to talk about is this exfoliating bath cloth. This particular one from the Dollar Tree is infused with coconut butter, or yeah, what is it? Coconut scent infused, and it smells so good. When I first saw that on the packaging, I was like, yeah, of course it's infused with coconut. But y'all, it really smells so good. And this reminds me of those African net sponges. You know, you could soak it in hot water to get it to be softer. And you know, you could really get a good scrub on your back with this. It's kind of like the same consistency of them. And I know that I saw those for more than $1.25. So you could stock up on these, just have them kind of, you know, in a little bin in your bathroom. And every time you want to get your back really good, you can reach for it. Oop, drop that on the floor. Every time you want to get your back really well, you can reach for it. And like I said, again, $1.25. I really want y'all to go and find this and try it out, because I thought this was a really good find, y'all. And as you can see, you can really like get your back really well with this. So $1.25. The next thing that I want to talk about is claw clips. Claw clips are really having a moment right now, and I'm so excited for it because when I'm not going to date myself, but when I was younger, they were really popular, and it was the in thing to do to go to school with claw clips in your hair, and they're back, and I'm here for it because they're really functional as well. And some of the best claw clip patterns and colors are at the dollar store. These are so pretty, you guys. They have the tortoise, they have the regular black, they even have some that kind of look like marble. Me personally, I like to keep it pretty simple and stay with the neutral colors, but if you want something kind of funky and festive, it's definitely there for you. and they have so many to choose from. They're $1.25, but you could really spend a lot of money because you feel like it's so cheap and you could just go crazy and get a lot of them. So I had to kind of stop myself with the selection that was there and, you know, kind of reel it back in. But yeah, I would definitely check out the Dollar Tree for claw clips. Another thing that I want to talk about at the Dollar Tree is the combs and the brushes. They have some really good quality combs and brushes at the dollar store, and multiple types of combs and brushes as well. They have wide tooth combs, narrow tooth combs. They also have bristle brushes, detangling brushes, and they're of good quality, you guys. I didn't need a comb or a brush, so I didn't pick them up, but I did get some footage of the selection because it is really kind of cool. They're not thin, they're not cheap feeling, they're thick and substantial material. So I really want you guys to head on over there if you're thinking about switching out your combs and your brushes, or if you're in need of a new one, or you just want to see what they have, you know, head on over there. They've got a really good selection. One thing that I did check out from the combs and brush section is this little edge brush. In the past, I have been a fan of laying my edges down with a toothbrush and hair gel or whatever the product was. I am now reformed from my wicked ways. I am going to use the proper tool now that one is available to be able to lay down my edges. And I love it, you guys. It's awesome. The next thing that I want to talk about is this really cool spa headband. I've been seeing all the girlies on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube wearing these spa headbands to do their morning facial routine or their nighttime facial routine, and I'm here for it. I absolutely love it. Now, some of them that I've seen on Amazon were more than $1.25, and you know, when I get to building my Amazon cart, it's kind of lethal at times. So I've withstood from adding this to the cart. But now that I've seen this at the Dollar Tree and I picked it up, I'm going to go back and see if I can find the little wristlets. Because when I do my beauty routine and wash my face, I do get some, you know, drippage from the water from washing my face. So I will be going to going back there because I can't imagine if they made the headbands without making the wristlets. Maybe they did, but I'm definitely going to check for the wristlets. Speaking of skincare routines, I found these facial exfoliant scrubbies. They're made of silicone and they are absolutely wonderful. It's pretty straightforward. You just put your facial cleanser on it and, you know, get a really good lather going on your face. It feels really, really good. It's a really good exfoliant without being too harsh on your skin, which I really love. Now that I'm on Accutane, I'm shedding skin a lot, so this is really cool to just kind of buff it off and, you know, get my face really clean, a little spa-like experience. And then whenever you're done and you rinse them, the little knobs on the back of it act like suction cups so that you can suction it to your shower walls and keep it really nifty in there if that's something that you like to do. So I advise that you pick those up. I like them a lot. The next thing that I want to talk about are these little facial sponges. They are for removing your mask. Also, I like to use them for removing eye makeup remover when your hand just kind of won't cut it. I don't really use makeup wipes anymore. So I like to just put a little bit of eye makeup remover foam on these and gently cleanse away my eye makeup. But also these are really good for removing your mask. I tried these out and I found them to be really effective. I really, really like it rather than going ahead and splashing off the mask and rinsing it off that way. So I'd advise that you pick up a couple of these. I'm not quite sure how it compares to the price of the ones on Amazon versus the price of the ones in the Dollar Tree. But also, if you're just in there and you're shopping for other things and you just want to throw these in the basket, it works out great for that as well. The next thing that I want to mention is this shaving cream. It's pure silk, and at $1.25 I could just pick this up. I feel like there's not a whole lot in the can, but I feel like it doesn't have to be. They run anywhere from like $2, $3, $4 and more at Target or other places I've seen. So just this one for $1.25. They have other types of shaving cream. I feel like it really gets the job done, and you know, you can just pick it up and move on about your business. So that's a really good find at the Dollar Tree. The next item that I'm absolutely living for from the Dollar Tree are these eye masks. It's a retinol under eye mask with anti-wrinkle serum in it. It minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I imagine with something like this, you have to be really consistent in using it, the recommended amount, which is, for this one, it says once a week. So you use it once a week. I don't know if I saw minimal appearance of lines under my eyes, but one thing I know is that my eyes have been poofy here lately underneath. I immediately saw a reduction of inflammation for this, and it has some pretty good ingredients in here that I know have been proven to help with inflammation and puffiness and help with skin tightening. It has witch hazel in here, it has retinol in here, it has algin, and it also has citric acid. So these are all really good ingredients that I know that I see in some of my other really luxe or high price point skincare lines. So the recommended use is once a week. So if you were doing this once a week, it'd be $5 a month for your under eye treatment. And I think that that's really cool, guys. You could at least get a grasp for how much it works with consistency for about $5. So I'd say pick this up next time you're in a Dollar Tree. The last thing that I want to talk about, but certainly not least, are these toothbrushes. It's a 3-pack of Colgate toothbrushes for $1.25. And I just think that this is really cool to have on hand. It saves you so much money. It's a really good buy. And also, when you have guests, you always have like extra toothbrushes because, like, you know, things happen and you forget your toothbrush, right? And so rather than them having to run out to CVS or Walmart or wherever they want to go, you have one here for them. It's so cool. I love it. I got this particular pack for my husband because he likes the soft ones. I only saw soft and medium there. I didn't see any firm ones, but that doesn't mean that they don't have them at your Dollar Tree. And also, I just want to quickly mention, while I'm mentioning the toothbrushes, they have a plethora of toothpaste, and I'm talking name brand toothpaste. They have Crest, they have Colgate, they have, you name it. They have a lot of them, and they have a lot of different toothbrushes too. And they also have travel toothbrushes as well. And I also saw a couple of tongue scrapers there. If I were you all, I would check them out for toothbrushes. I wouldn't skip over that section the next time I was in there. Yeah, because they're a great buy. Okay, everybody, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have something that you like at the Dollar Tree that you consistently get every single time you go, I want you to let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to check those out. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you on the next video.